In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Steam games and erase game data. If you've been playing a game and you feel like starting fresh, resetting your game is a straightforward process that we'll walk through step by step. First things first, make sure you're signed into your Steam account. This is essential because all the changes you're about to make are tied directly to your account. Once you're logged in, head over to your library. This is where you'll see the list of all the games you own. Now, find the game you want to reset. Simply right-click on it to bring up a menu of options. From here, navigate to Properties. This option will open up a dialog box with several tabs and settings. Inside the dialog box, look at the General tab. Here, you should see an option related to Steam Cloud. Steam Cloud is a feature that saves your game progress across different devices. However, if you want to reset your game to its original state, you'll need to disable this option. Make sure you turn it off if it's currently enabled. Disabling Steam Cloud ensures that your game data won't be automatically restored from the cloud when you start the game again. Having turned off Steam Cloud, the next step is to head over to the file location of your Steam app on your computer. You'll need to physically remove game data to ensure a full reset. Once you're in the folder where Steam is installed, look for a folder named User Data. This folder is crucial because it contains all your local game save data. When you locate user data, you'll need to delete the contents of this folder. Doing this will erase all the information about your game saves from your computer. Make sure you only delete the relevant game data that you intend to reset. It's important to note that this action cannot be undone, so be sure about your decision before proceeding. After you've both disabled the Steam Cloud and deleted the user data folder, your game should be reset to its original settings, as if you're playing it for the first time. The next time you launch the game, it'll start fresh without any previous saved data. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Steam game. By following these steps, you can start over with any game and enjoy the fresh start. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to check back for more useful tutorials.